Morning, guys. So we're up and running. We woke up so early in the morning, like 5 o'clock. My wife woke up at 5 in the morning because she wanted to take 2 hours to get ready. But luckily, she got ready in less than 2 hours today. That's a good sign. It's about 6:45 and we are on the way. Oh my god, what's happening? The moment people are waiting for their whole their life. Oh my god, thank you very much. So we are now walking to the motorbike. We already have a motorbike. Oh, I'm not wearing anything. It's a wind cheater, which I've taken from my wife. Let's see. Well, looking forward to a good day. We are today going to Mae Kampong, which is a small little village in the like a bit more north from Chiang Mai. It has a lot of waterfalls. It has a lot of like mountains. It's known for some really cute cafes, some really classic old school home style food, northern Thai food to be more specific. So I'm looking forward to it. And yeah, this is the beautiful hotel. So last night it was raining. I had parked the scooter right outside. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Otherwise, I was scared if it's gonna be wet. Do I need to carry a cloth to clean it? But should be okay. Let's have a look at the day. Day looks nice. That's the motorbike. I think it's okay. What are you doing? अरे gimbal है ये नहीं होता. So guys, I think we came much early. We did not find anything to eat. I mean, there were some restaurants which were, how do I say, like very home style food, which we decided not to try. But we will definitely go back to some cafe. There was one cafe which was closed, but now we are going to the Mae Kampong Waterfall. Let's see how beautiful that waterfall is. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I mean, they say there are bigger waterfalls than this also, but I am very happy to see this one. Oh my god, this is absolutely beautiful. What are you doing? So we just saw some stairs that's going up. So we'll try to take them and see what's upstairs. Let's see the source of the waterfall. I'm sure we can't see the source, but the least we can see is how beautiful it looks. Just taking it and see what is right on the top. We'll find out. My wife is completely drained, tired. It's even bigger. We can go even up. So this is the first time experience in my life that I've been able to go so close to a waterfall which is as close as this. What do you think, Krishna? How's it? Come. Be careful ना यहाँ पे. Every time I think this is the last, but it takes us. So I think now we should go because it's too much of splash coming in. But this was a beautiful, beautiful experience. इतना careful ना यहाँ देखिए. That's Krishna. She's now coming down. Let's see. So guys, we just finished our quick coffee. We had an amazing time at the waterfall. I mean, in my entire life, I've never been to such a massive waterfall. I'm sure there are many bigger or maybe biggest waterfall that exist in the world, but this was my first time that I went to a waterfall, and this was magnificent. How did you like it, Krishna?
Yes, it was absolutely mesmerizing.
And then, because I think we were early, we started around like 6:45, and then we were here at 8 o'clock, even though I was riding very slow. But the moment you reach in this place, Mae Kampong, you need to be able to control your motorbike, because it's like up and down, a lot of slopes and hilly areas, so you don't drive super fast. So probably the speed is about 20 kilometers an hour, but we managed. We struggled in the morning. We thought of getting a coffee first, but then there was nothing available. So we decided, even though we were hungry, we had no space, but we decided to, um, you know, go to the waterfall. And we didn't really think that it will be so beautiful, but it ended up being an amazing place. So yeah, and then once you come out, I don't know what that name is, but this is the moment you finish your waterfall. The moment you come out, on the left hand side there is a cafe, and this is
Name is right there.
oh, name is right there, but I don't know, it's in Thai. Okay, but I'll show you the view. Now this view is something what every YouTuber shows you. Like, correct me if I'm wrong. This is what every individual will show you. I think we came all the way from there. I'll try to. Yeah, so we made some time lapse already. You can see those clouds, some houses down there, and people can actually sit like this. This is a nice viewpoint. Well, that's the name of the place. I don't know if you will be able to understand. This is actually the viewpoint. So finally, I think now we will once go and see what's happening in the city. I mean, I don't think I'm enough hungry, but then there's also a giant tree cafe. Probably there we'll go and have some food. Done with the morning coffee, had a cheesecake. I think the quality of food or the coffee, it's average, but that's not what you come here for. And it started raining. It's already raining now. So I'm gonna quickly save my camera before it starts getting wet. But say hi to Myung Myung. That's my boy Myung Myung. I'm gonna see you guys soon.